What up, gang? Boo617, and welcome back to the channel. We're here again. We got something else to install, another mod. So if you haven't checked out the short that I did on the unboxing of the new LCI steering wheel, check that out. That's what we're doing today, baby. We're gonna install the LCI. We're gonna try to install. I've never done this before, but we're gonna try to install the LCI steering wheel in my BMW X5M. Now, when you go looking for one of these steering wheels, you have to make sure that is compatible with your specific vehicle. So what I mean by that is different vehicles have different functions. So for example, this one has like heated, and I'm pretty sure they all have the heated functionality. But like, for example, this one also has a vibrating motor. So you have to make sure that you got the right modules, the right the motors, and that it's the right fit for your vehicle. And that's what I did. I just made sure that the research, spoke to the person that I was dealing with, the salesman, told him exactly what I had, and made it happen. So fingers crossed that he was telling the truth, or that he knew what he was talking about. But we're here now. Let's do it. So I do like the OEM steering wheel. Don't get me wrong. I do like the accents. I like, I like the black. I like the stitching. I like this brushed aluminum that matches, the carbon fiber with the brushed aluminum all over the car. I like that. I don't like these paddle shifters. I think that the carbon fiber ones that the new one comes with are better. I do like this part of the new one, which is, it's wider. It actually matches this piece right here. And it's flat here on the new one, and it has the racing stripe. Now, all that's good and dandy. I would not have got the new one if it wasn't for the fact that I said in the short before, my kids got the dog in, and the dog kind of, messed up the steering wheel. And these, I've tried everything to take these off, and no, scratches do not come off. So I opted in for, instead of getting a brand new steering wheel factory, I got an LCI, and it's carbon fiber. So let's do it. The first thing we're gonna do is something that I do not recommend to nobody. I'm gonna do it because I'm a moron, but you know what? Don't be a moron. And I gotta take this airbag out. Recommend to take the battery from the trunk out, but because I have a whole system back there, it's gonna take time to take all that apart. I'm gonna take this out without taking the battery out, and wish me luck that this doesn't explode in my face. So first step is we have to get back here, and you will see, where is it? Right beside the steering wheel, there's this little indentation that we're gonna take a some type of screwdriver and push that in there. Each side has one, and that should be enough to take the airbag out and hopefully not explode in my face. So you're gonna feel around for a spring. You're gonna fish around. When you find the spring, you just push it. It's gonna poke out. The airbag's gonna poke out like that on one side, and then you go to the other side, poke it, and I already did it anyway. So we did that. All right, it has not exploded yet. So take the airbag out. You're gonna have this wire here that you gotta press to take that out. A little tab right there. So let's do that real quick. And with some needle nose pliers, we're gonna tug on these. They come right out. Already did this one. Now this one. Some needle nose, handy. Then we're gonna need a T60. Put these out the way really quick. We're gonna need a T60 to take that out. Luckily, I do have this kit here that has everything I need. Got a T60 there, put it on the ratchet, and we're on our way. So this is the setup that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a T60 rather, an extension, and a big ass ratchet. And after that's done, all we gotta do is pull it out. But because I'm using one hand, it's hard, so let's just do it. Let me take it off screen. And this is what you end up with. Hopefully I don't get no emergency calls because I'm out of commission. All right, so this is side-by-side comparison of the two steering wheels. As you can see this section here? It's a lot wider here because this is the LCI edition. This got the aluminum brush. This has the carbon fiber, one piece. This has the racing. This has the flat bottom. What y'all think? Can't wait to get this on. All we gotta do now is cut this one and put everything that's in here in here. Let's do that now. So I finished the job. Nothing turned out well. Took me 5 hours to get this done because of just a bunch of frustrations and pointless. Point is, it is done. I wanted to do an install video, was not able to do an install video because the camera died. And when I noticed, I was already like halfway in, like a bunch of steps in. I'm like, you know what? Forget it. Maybe we can make this into a short video, or even just a short video, I guess. But anyways, check it out. As you can see, it's nighttime. We've been at it all damn day. But she's in. She's looking nice. Check it out. Know what she looks like right there, right there, right there, right there. Carbon fiber. Everything works. I already tested it. It's looking well. Looking pretty. Let me tell you not. Frustrating to put one of these on, for sure. I've taken out transmissions. I've installed motors. I've done exhaust. I've done it all. Suspension. You can name it on a car. I've done it all. I think this has been the most frustrating thing that I've done on a vehicle. And it's just because it's meticulous. Like, make sure that you're not breaking the little clips. Making sure that everything's tucked in well. Making sure you're following the steps, because if you miss the steps, the next step is not going to work properly. My goodness. 5 hours in for a steering wheel is crazy work. I'm sure if I did this again, I'll do it in way less time. But for the first time, man, difficulty level, man, meticulous, man, listen, frustration. Anyways, we did it. Tell me what you think. What's your thoughts? What's your opinion on it? Do you like it? Do you like the OEM? This is pretty much OEM. This is OEM plus, in my opinion, because, you know, it's an LCI. And I got the extra little goodies, a little racing stripe. It's flat on the bottom, carbon fiber. Let me know what you think. Boo Boo 617. We're out.